In this video we'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix the call unavailable issue on WhatsApp whether you're using an Android or iPhone. We'll help you get back to making calls smoothly, so the first thing that we'll do is to open the WhatsApp application on our phone and then tap on the settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. The next step is to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and select the help option. After this page opens, you want to select the first option, which is the Help Center option. When we open the Help Center, our job is to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you find the Contact Support option, so just click on this and that will open another page in our WhatsApp application with a little text box where we have to explain what the problem is to the WhatsApp support team. You can say, "Hi WhatsApp support, I hope you're doing well. I'm experiencing an issue where WhatsApp calls are unavailable on my device. Could you please assist me in resolving this issue?" So after you write this message, you want to tap on the next option at the top right corner and then tap on this button at the bottom of the screen where it says "Send my question to WhatsApp support." When you send the message to the support team, they will then review it and they will respond to you as soon as they can. They will then send you further instructions and hopefully help you fix the problem where the WhatsApp call is unavailable. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.